everybody! So today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little origami jumping frog. So these little guys you can make in any size you want. So for the paper, you're gonna want to get something that's in a 2:3 ratio. So this is a 2x3, that would be your next size up, etc, etc. The smaller they are, the better they jump though. So just kind of keep that in mind. I'm using a heavier paper. It's almost like a cardstock, but not quite that thick. You can make them in thinner paper as well, but they will get wrecked easier. So let's start with our paper. And you fold the top corners crosswise. And then unfold it and fold the other side crosswise. So you should be able to see an X on there. All right, so then you're gonna take it and flip it over, and you're gonna see that middle point, and you're gonna fold it back to that point. And then you wanna push your two inside ones in. Folding it in just to make a triangle out of it. All right, kind of like that. Let's see that again. So you folded it in and then push your two from underneath down in to make a triangle. Okay. From here, you're gonna take these 2 points that kind of flip up and turn them up towards the top. Okay, something like that. Next, so your center line is about here. So these guys, you want to fold this point into there. And then do the same on the opposite side. So you end up with it looking like that. Okay. Then we're going to take these two bottom ones and fold them towards the outside. There. And one there. Okay. And then you'll take your whole bottom half and fold it all the way up to the top. If you're using small paper, sometimes it's a little hard to fold at this point, but you'll get it. All right, so now that it's in half, fold this bottom part back down. And that's gonna make your feet for it to jump off of. So as you can see, it's kind of like that little spring there. So once it's all set up like that, you can decorate them, add some spots, add some eyes, a mouth. And then if you go to jump them, all you have to do is press in the very center of his back, and off he goes. These are super fun with kids because they can race them, set up little obstacles to try and get them to go through. All right, so that's our little frog. Enjoy.